Hello. Yeah, hello everyone. So it's good to have you back on this live session. So let us start for the questions which are related to career guidance, software testing jobs, any updates that you need. So we will be discussing those things, and it's very important that we discuss out, what are the challenges that you are facing as you are looking forward to make your career in the field of software testing, right? So Uh, let's have some questions. Okay. Okay. Now there is a question from Sairaj. Sairaj is asking, I'm getting problem while using UI Automator Viewer. After clicking on its opening, command is closing automatically, and the UI Automator Viewer also. Can you tell me some solutions that I can try? UI Automator is getting closed. Why so? Okay, so comma CMD is closing automatically. Okay, so you mean to say when you are trying to automate, you are running some test automation, and then that command line is getting closed automatically, right? So that is there. Okay, during automation script. Hmm. So there is a command that you can basically use cmd/k command at the end of your batch file, right? So this command will actually prevent your command line to getting closed, right? So that you should use. Okay. Okay, Sushant. Yeah, hi Sushant, how are you? Akash, why jobs are less as an ETL tester? So ETL testing has not got that much of demand compared to automation. Akash, you should definitely switch to automation testing. Once you have knowledge of automation testing along with ETL, that will be an icing on the cake, right? There is a question from A. Rathod, when calls will start. So we have actually created a video today on this particular topic, when calls will start. That I have. Let me share that link with you. You can go through this video, and in a very detailed manner, I have tried my best to tell you uh, about when calls will start and update on recession and layoffs. So here is the link for that. Okay. Preetham is asking, can you please make a detailed video about upgrading Selenium version from 3 to 4, 4.10 above 4? Okay, sure. We'll try to create a video on that. Okay, Vix, I'm updating my Naukri profile. Also sent many mails, but still no calls. Please suggest what to do, or should I stop hoping for testing jobs? No, Vix, it's not like that. You don't need to stop hoping for testing jobs. There is a link which I have shared, right? In which you can actually come to know about the current market situation and the job opportunities from when the calls will start. So we need to update the Naukri profile. There is a QA success story video also which I am going to upload in this particular week, in which the candidate was actually trying to get a job since last 6 to 7 months, and he was daily updating the Naukri profile in the time slot of 9 to 5, right? So that was one of the aspect that he mentioned. So please don't lose hope, please don't get disappointed, right? A lot of opportunities are going to come soon. Chinmay Kulkarni is asking, now currently no any opening for manual testing. What is the problem? There is an opening for manual testing. I'll help you with that. Right, so manual testing vacancies are there. And these vacancies we are also posting on our channel, right? So, and this is a work from home remote position, So you can apply to this manual testing position, right? This is available. Okay. Hello Sonali, how are you? Okay, Parul Khular is asking challenges in APM testing, please, if anyone experienced. Okay, so so this question is for everyone who have joined this session. If you are facing any challenges, then please let Parul know, right? Uh, Sushant is telling, please start the playlist on the Tosca tool. So we will start, but I would like to update you that tomorrow is Guru Purnima, right? And this channel, RD Automation Learning, is actually dedicated to my Guru, right? And we have started it on 27th of July on my Guruji's birthday. So tomorrow is Guru Purnima. So tomorrow I'll be uploading API testing videos from tomorrow onwards, and there is a new playlist that will be coming on the channel, which is related to the API testing. So please go through those videos and please give some feedback if you have any. Right, if you have any suggestions related to the API testing, then please let us know. Ram Kumar is telling which is most used framework in the market, Cucumber or TestNG. Cucumber is the mostly used, right? Parul is asking Rakesh, where is your profile on LinkedIn? Also send you my resume, yet no response. Okay, Parul, sorry if I haven't responded back to your resume, but will definitely contact you soon. Let me jot your name. Parul is there. Parul. Yeah, yeah. So I see now you have followed up. Uh, Yes. So Parul, I have just responded to your email. You can just check and respond me back. Share the link of your LinkedIn profile. Okay, I'll share link of my LinkedIn profile as well as the Instagram channel that we have. Right. So we can connect on at both the places, LinkedIn as well as Instagram. Right. This is the LinkedIn link and this is the Instagram. Yeah. Okay, Mayur is asking there is no job opening coming for manual testing. Um, um, so Mayur again, there is no job coming for manual testing. Please suggest. So there are job openings are there, those are less. So don't worry. Earlier, what used to happen? People used to shop multiple offers, right? Uh, they had a lot of job opportunities, they had a lot of offers, one in the left pocket, one in the right pocket. But these days actually the job opportunities have decreased, but it is not like they are completely not there. They are there. It also depends on what skill set we are having, right? And manual testing plus automation is in demand these days. Anyone who will have automation knowledge, that will who he or she will be given first priority compared to the manual tester. Journey 24, sir, please tell about work from home option. Yes, work from home options are there, right? So, in work from home, what I just shared one job opening was there, which was remote. Let me just search, right? So, this is a work from home job opportunity. It's again for manual testing, and you can just apply, right? Ram Prasad is asking how is the job market for robot framework automation. So job market is good for robot framework, right? You will get jobs. Tarun is asking how much CTC expected to 2 year manual and 1 year automation testing experience. Selenium with Java. Okay, so you have 2 year manuals and 1 year, so you can earn around 7 to 8 lakhs, right? In manual testing, what skills are important? So Vidya is asking which are the skills those are important for manual testing. Okay, so if you are looking for making your you know career in manual testing, then you need to have analytical skills. Those are very important. How will you analyze the situation? How is the application behaving for that particular situation? That is very important, right, Vidya? Second thing is, um, you should have some experience or some familiarity with respect to agile methodology also, because these days every company is having agile methodology. Then planning, right, creating test plan, test strategy, all those things are required, right? You will have to create neat reports, so you will have to be attentive to the details, right? You will have to be very conscious when you do manual testing, right? You should be good on understanding the applications, right? Apart from analytical skills, product knowledge is also very important, right? So those all things are required with you for manual testing. Pratibha is asking, is there any job opportunity for ETL testing? For ETL testing, okay. For ETL testing, let me just see if there is anything that I can do. So Pratibha, if you can wait till tomorrow we would be uploading the job opportunities, work from home, manual testing, automation testing job opportunities, right? So then if any openings are there, then you can avail them. Okay. Are you giving any automation testing training, sir? So we are not giving any automation testing training because that will require a lot of time. But from tomorrow onwards, API testing using Postman, those videos will be getting uploaded on our channel. So show some love to those videos. Please like them. Please comment them. Right. Put some positive comments. Don't put negative comments. This is the first time that I am creating a playlist in which I would be explaining you some concepts related to API testing. So, uh, please bear with me, right? Okay. Rohit Mali is asking, as a tester, how much depth knowledge of Java required, right? So I'm seeing some heart related messages are coming in the chat box. Are you people sending them, or is the YouTube doing some sort of advertisement? Okay. Some hearts are coming. Like, okay, fine. I just observed. If anyone is also observing, just let me know. And you people are, attending this live session. Please hit on the like button so that will motivate me for answering your questions. Right? When will the recession end, sir? So recession will end. I think by winter 2023, we can expect some more calls to come. Right? And there is a dedicated video also that I have created on this particular content. I've posted it today only, so you can have a look at that particular video. Yes, Wix is telling it's a new feature of YouTube. Yeah, a lot of hearts are coming, so that's a good thing. So YouTube is sending hearts whenever we conduct live sessions, so that's a good thing. Mm. Okay, fine. So Dheeraj is asking, as a fresher, can we enter into the automation? Yes, we can enter. Right, there is no um, limit of people who, but for automation again, you would need good knowledge on manual testing as well, right? If you don't know what is to be tested, how will you automate those things? So those things are there, right? Tell us about previous recession experiences, how longer it was lasted, and also about artificial intelligence, how we should look at it. So previous recessions, generally whichever the recessions have come so far, they have lasted from 2 months to 12 to 14 months. That is the range of the recessions, right? This recession in which we are dealing with today, this has actually started last year in the I think last quarter of June. At that time it had started, and uh, in this year it might end, right? So that's a, good option that we can, uh, it's a good positive thought that we can have, right? Is there any startup companies for manual testing? Yeah, a lot of startup companies are there. We had actually posted one post in the community tab, so we will try to get this thing. Is there any startup companies for manual testing? If we can help you with some range of companies which can actually, help you. Okay, so that is a okay. Uh, Mamta is asking, sir, I am automation tester with following skills: Selenium, Kafka, JMeter, REST Assured, TestNG, Appium, AWS. What else should I add to my skill set so that I can add value to my profile? CI/CD, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. These all things you can add. Preetham is asking, I want to upgrade Java version from 8 to 17 and Selenium won't provide support to it. Yes, that is totally fine. But I'm facing issues. Can you tell me why all my scenarios are getting skipped? I'm running suit from CMD. Okay. So what issues you are facing? So when you have to upgrade, so there are some settings, those are available in IntelliJ itself, that you can directly upgrade to Java JDK 17, and you will have to install JDK, right? And if your scenarios are getting skipped, then you will have to see in your automation framework, after any test case gets failed, then what mechanism you have kept? Have you kept mechanism of moving to next subsequent test, or you have kept the mechanism of failing the entire suit? So that kind of thing you will have to analyze. That is the two things that are coming at my mind this time. Okay, cricketer Instagram live. Okay, so it seems he's having some Instagram page. I have 4.2 year of experience, but my first company hired me and they pay me in hand salary. So far, 16 is not generated. Okay, they pay me in hand salary. So form 16 is not generated. Then I get job in MNC. So I'm searching for job. So is this affect my background checkup? Hmm. Okay, let me read it once again. See, I'm a bit confused. How come the companies pay in hand salary? They generally uh, pay to you by sending the amount in your account directly. How can they pay in hand salary? That is not, that's where I'm getting confused, because if the companies are paying you salary, so that part of amount, they don't have to pay tax for that particular amount, the salary component that they have paid to you. So why are they paying in hand salary? And how come Form 16 is not generated? That's again a weird question, because Form 16 is always generated for all the for all the professionals who are working, right? For all the service people who are doing service, right? So those forms are getting generated. Definitely now in the background checkup, they will see why his Form 16 is not there. You should definitely have Form 16. If you don't have Form 16, at least show them ITR forms filled, your taxable incomes that you have filled, right? That can help you with some sort of proof, because over here you got in hand salary. So some experience you will have to show, some evidence you will have to show to prove that you are an experienced candidate. Okay. Okay, now Komal is asking how much CTC we can expect for 1.1 by 2. 1.1 by 2. 1.5 year of manual testing and half year of automation. So half year of automation, that is 6 months of automation. That is not much done. So 1.1.5 year of manual testing, you will get somewhere around 5 lakhs, 4 to 5 lakhs. Okay. Capit 7 Crusader. Some company gives us assessment, but they are not replying to it. I'm sure I did good to my knowledge. Any reason why they are not replying? So, if they are not replying, then they might would have felt that you are an extraordinary candidate for that profile, and hence they might not select you. There are two kinds of ideologies that we have. When the candidates don't score up to the expectations, and when they exceed the expectations, right? So they might be looking for an average candidate who is just meeting the expectations, right? So there is a joke, right? You would have heard in some movie that when your friend is scoring less, you will feel bad, but if you is scoring more, then you will feel more bad, right? Because that's how it happens, right? So that company is weird, Crusader. What's your name? That is bit weird. World of Reality is asking artificial intelligence and its relevance to the testing field. Okay, so artificial intelligence will actually help you to improve your way of testing and to save your time, right? So those things which are ready made available to you via chat gpt, via artificial intelligence, those things can actually be used and your time should be saved. So your quality of testing, see, one is that the testing that you are doing, quality assurance, but the quality of the testing that you are doing, the quality of the validation that you are doing, the quality of quality assurance that you are doing, the process that will improve because of chat gpt and ai, artificial intelligence. So those things are actually uh, a boon for all of us if those are used in a proper right manner. Shan Miraj is asking, should we go for performance testing having done with Selenium Appium? So if you have done with Selenium Appium, go for API testing, right? Then you can go for performance testing. Okay, Aniket is asking, you provide a new job opening source and mail IDs. I am applying for many times, but not anyone of the response. And my question, what are doing to response to company side to me? So Aniket, there are number of reasons behind that. Maybe your resume or your profile is not matching with what they are looking for. Maybe they have already got some candidate prior to your application. Maybe the location might be a constraint. Maybe that position is closed because someone has already got hired. Maybe that position has got closed because that project is no longer there. So whatever vacancies we are posting, those are from LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is a very big network, and there are so many people there in the LinkedIn who are active 24/7, right? So moment the job gets posted there, so they will take that job and they will start applying. By the time you might apply, by the time it's been the response comes, so there are a lot of possibilities, right? But we are doing our best to help you with the jobs, right? Even I wish that you get the job, you make the career in the software testing as soon as possible. I would be feeling more proud when someone is telling me, yes, I've got selected in this particular thing, right? So it's a kind of a selfless service that we are doing. But again, the jobs are less, which is why you might not be getting that much of response, because for one job earlier, let's say if 100 people were there, now 200 people are there. Lots of layoffs have also happened in India itself. Only 27, not only, sorry, 27,000 of people have lost their jobs. So that's a big number, right? In India only, in India itself, right? Does career gap matters, Swati? Yes, it does matter, and it also depends on what reason and how much time your gap is there, right? How to get full-time remote job? So for full-time remote job, we have created one video, right? So it's on we have got some websites in which you can do freelancing, right? Whether you are a fresher or you are an experienced, so just go through this video. Rupesh is asking, how Stutzka tool for career? It's a good tool, but I would suggest you to learn Selenium Java also, right? DevOps engineer is best profile. Akash is asking. Akash Bardoli. Yes, it's a very good profile. You should, if you're getting opportunity, you should definitely go for it, right? Does career gap matter? Yeah, this question is done. Amruta, I have 5 years of experience in healthcare claims. I have done software testing course also. Is it possible to get a job in software testing field? Okay. So based on your course, you would be hired as a fresher. You will have to start from scratch because the healthcare related work that you have done, that is not related to the software testing. So you will have to start from scratch. So if you are okay earning the money which you had when you which you were getting when you had started your career 5 years back, then you can go. Else I would suggest, if you feel that there are other options also, then you can simply move on from software testing. Okay, because 5 years is a big time. Is testing fake experience easy than developer? No, it's not easy. It's gonna be hard. Okay. Okay. Now let me ask one thing in poll. Start a poll. Now I just need one suggestion. You want us to. Yeah. So I'm asking one question in the chat box. If you can, quickly answer those things. So I was thinking to start a new YouTube channel which will cover JMeter, SQL, Java, along with the existing one which will cover mock interviews, right? So is it fine along with the existing one? Right? So if you feel this will be a good, then you can click on yes. But if you feel no, then we will have just one YouTube channel. Because see, just uploading mock interviews, you see now people are looking for everything. They are looking for mock interviews. They are looking for jobs. They are looking for these kind of updates like layoffs, live sessions. So those all things are there, right? Click. Answer that thing yes or no, right? Okay. Uh, Nowadays, to get a job reference is most important. Yes, Saurabh. So getting a job referral, you can get it from LinkedIn, right? In LinkedIn, there are a lot of people who can refer you for jobs, right? Nikhil Kumar is asking, sir, for freshers, software testers, whether they will ask automation testing questions also. Uh, if you are having manual and automation, okay, so it depends on what things you have incorporated in your resume, right? See, if you have kept in your resume Selenium, Java, automation testing, and they are also looking person for that kind of job. Many times, what happens? They don't have projects. They will have manual testing project only. So what you will do? So they will ask you questions related to manual testing. But if they want someone who actually is working with automation, then they will ask you automation related questions also. So it depends on what kind of job, what kind of role you are applying. That is important, right? So think from that aspect, right? So whenever you read JD, see that it is it necessary to learn BDD and Cucumber with automation testing? No, it's not necessary, but if you learn BDD, it would be good. It's in demand these days. Chirag is asking what is the condition of recession and layoffs now. So Chirag, I have just created a video today. So if you just search, you know, on my channel, you will get that video. It has been posted 4 hours back. Uh, okay. Speed up is asking, is it possible to switch now? I have 2 years of experience in manual plus automation testing, and current package is 4 lakhs per annum. What package can I expect from next company? So is it possible to switch now? I have 2 years of experience in. Yeah, you can switch if you have 2 years of experience. That is fine. You should not switch after 3 to 4 months or after 6 months immediately. You should switch after 2 years. That is fine. GOVB is asking, I have 1.5 years of experience in Selenium robot framework and now while in bench opportunity inside organization, most of them are asking, is it fine if I learn Selenium? Yes, definitely you should learn. See, Selenium with Java is there in the demand. You should definitely learn that. Now, people for whom I'm answering the questions, please hit on the like button. So, this video reaches to the maximum people, right? Please show some love by hitting on the like button, right? Sriram is asking, as a manual tester engineer, what all skills need to add to become an automation engineer? So, if you want to become an automation engineer, then you need to learn any one of the programming language, Java, Python, C Sharp, .NET. You need to learn um, Selenium, right? Oops concepts. Those things are required. I'm working in a small company where uh, I have option of switching from tech support to QA. Should I try or should I look for? So it's good if you are already within the company and you get an opportunity of switching to QA, you should definitely take it first because it might happen in the new company. You will take time to adjust because it would be a new company and it will be a new role also. But over here in the old company where you are working, you are already familiar with the process, you are already familiar with the people, so that support is automatically there for you and you will be able to pick it up. You will be able to grasp the things at a quicker speed compared to the new company, right? So switch within the company, right? And yeah, and think positive only, don't think negative. Yeah, Sachin, calls are less for freshers, right? So that's actually a problem, and because of the last year recession, even this year things have been not on the track. Simran is asking, suggest in between Java or Python with Selenium. Go for Java first. Okay. Okay. So this is done. Mm, what is the future of Python automation with Selenium? So future opportunities are there, right? So don't worry about those things. Then Pradeep Kumar is asking, I'm working in a small company where I have an option of switching. So this is done. API automation from scratch. Okay, Chirag, will definitely work on that. As a QA, learning cloud or artificial intelligence can get good jobs. So both cloud as well as artificial intelligence can get you a good job, and AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning is in demand. So you will get. Uh, if the company condition is CGPA of a candidate should be 6.5, but mine is 5.6. If I pass all the rounds, how did did they will offer me to work in that company? So the chances are less because they already have made their condition as 6.5. So before giving the interviews, you have to confirm with the hiring manager or with the recruitment team who is taking your interviews, right? That will it be good? Then you can continue. Right. Okay. Uh, Rahul is asking, sir, I have one HR round left to join Accenture as a system and application service role. Is it good for a fresher to join? Yes, definitely. If you are getting a job, right now to enter into the Accenture, first enter, then you can think of switching to QA. But first enter, get that job first. Saurav is asking, I want to develop programming skills. I'm getting rejection from most of the company due to programming skills. My manual skill is good. Could you please share some thoughts on this? So, Saurav, what you will have to do is you will have to practice programming. Just practice two programs in a day, once in the morning and once at night. That's it. After 1 month, you will see a difference. And don't copy the solution from the uh, source that you have got the question. First, try to write the source code. First, try to write the, do the development by yourself. Be independent, right? Uh, Suraj asking, what's the best testing framework in today's market? So, best is BDD Cucumber framework. Okay. So, please hit on the like button. I can see only 38 likes so far. Right? Siddesh is asking, can I claim a notice period if my company VTest removed me without a valid reason and without providing any prior notice? Considered I submitted an exit form. Okay, so you can claim, but actually it seems that as they have, not given you all these documents, so it will be difficult for you. They are not giving you reason, so please go and request them again. Without a reason, how is it possible to exit from the company, right? Sahil asking, sir, I have immediate knowledge of Selenium, Java, Python, Ruby, Jira, Postman, Rest Assured, Jenkins. I just want to arrange an interview with a company. Now, what cover letter you are sending, that is also important. What resume you are sending, that is also important. Based on all these things only, then I would be able to, tell you whether this is uh, why the response is this kind of negative. So Bangalore is actually work from office, Nikhil. Apiksha is asking, sir, I'm getting difficulty while coding, getting stuck, not able to solve automation. So if you are getting stuck, then again visit the pages or the videos or the blogs where that solution is there. Then again try. See, try until you succeed. That is only the success mantra nowadays. Nothing else will work. But once you will try, then definitely that thing will be understood you because you are not a dumb person. If you have reached to this particular level that you are attending a live session which is related to the career guidance, then show some confidence at yourself, right? And be a best friend of yourself and crack the interview. Don't worry, you will definitely crack the interview, right? Okay, cricketer Instagram live about background verification question. Yes, they gave me salary slip and they gave all the people salary slips and in hand salaries to save taxes. Now I have form 16 that shows my. Okay, fine. So if they gave you the salary slip, so that is good, right? So this feature is bit weird from this YouTube. They are showing now sad emojis. Earlier they were showing heart. They are showing sad emojis. Why they are showing sad images on the live session? Aditya Divedi, what is the future scope of automation testing? So future is good. Definitely a lot of job opportunities are there, right? Okay. So please hit on the like button. I can see still only 49 likes and we have already completed 40 minutes of this live session. So many questions being answered, right? So please hit on the like button, right? At least make it 100, then we will take next question. Okay, I was just joking. I'll continue answering the questions. Don't worry, but at least do like no, so this video can reach to the maximum people, right? Anjali is asking, sir, what is the current market situation? So current market situation is I have created a video on that in advance today. Yes. So you can refer this video. How much JavaScript should we learn to learn Cypress? Basics of JavaScript should be known to you. How to create a variable, how to write a function, basics of any programming language, that is fine. Akshay, I am fresher sending bulk of email to HR but no response to their site. So Akshay, don't do this mistake. Don't send all the bulk emails to all the HRs. Otherwise, they will come to know this fellow is applying to some other company, so he will get job there. So why to give job here? If I'll give him an offer letter, he might do shopping also. He might shop offers with other companies. Then, so don't send all the emails to all the HRs. Send only to that particular HR which is relevantly to that company who is working in that company. Abdul is asking, are you planning to launch a course? No, Abdul, I'm not planning because what would happen that course if I upload it on Udemy, it would be a paid course, and I don't want anyone to pay, right? So what I'm doing is I'm working on some videos of API testing, and I'll create a playlist which will be available from tomorrow onwards. So hopefully, fortunately, with your support and with your likes and with your comments, we would actually create a good playlist on API testing. Please don't hit the dislike button whenever you are watching any videos on this channel, even API testing, which are going to start from tomorrow, because that will actually, demotivate me whenever I'm getting dislikes. Okay. Nani is asking, what is the scope of manual testing job in upcoming years? So a lot of scope is there. Manual testing is not going to die any day, right? A lot of job opportunities are there for manual testing in the upcoming time period. Okay. Okay. Still only 65. Yeah. Navanath is asking, is API testing is enough for your playlist? So what does that mean? Is API testing? I don't. Okay, now there is a question from Ganesh. I'm applying to 200 plus job vacancies, but still not getting any call. So there can be multiple reasons behind that. So as we were discussing, someone was asking that thing only, right? Okay. There are people who are giving me no option. I should not launch any new YouTube channel with some different concepts. So, may I know the reason behind no? Um, where we apply jobs, we are not getting responses, right? So there are chances that that job is already filled. They have got some person, they have got some candidate who is available within their time period. Right? Ganga is asking, when can we expect market to go smooth? So Ganga, just go through this video, you will get a lot of idea. Right, so it's raining, right? And I believe at your place also it will be raining, so enjoy these rains, right? And I wish these rains, they disappear your sorrows or your challenges to make the career in the field of software testing, right? Okay, so that's it for today's live session. uh, Thank you so much for joining, right? um, and see you then, right? So thank you so much, and please hit on the like button before leaving this session. It will motivate me, right? Thank you, and we'll be meeting next week.